We did it!
We did it!
The 100 Kids Project is complete.
We are more than thrilled to have had this opportunity
So thrilled.
to support our community in such a huge way.
This project began with an idea.
Just a small idea.
With the use of the Lead for Change program, we were able to turn our idea into reality.
We worked together to complete the lessons, worksheets, and activities.
From there, we secured donations and built the kits for donation.
Wow, just wow. I can't believe we have come this way, so far. I am beyond proud of our NMHS at BLA. We are truly family.
Our chapter feels like this is just the beginning, and we look forward to continuing to serve our community for years and years and years to come.
Also has a total of 31, so together in Atlanta we can serve.
Thank you for this opportunity.